composing in the new. I wanna show my sense to the knowing ones. Let those who are to come understand well that never by me was an easy verse made. And whoever doesn't believe I'm truthful, let him hear now how I set out my argument. With which it pleases me to feed people. Those of this trade of race defeating without agreement, so the path doesn't break. For I say that black shows me deeds that aren't black. Since a foolish speaker, people consider him and his sermon worthless. For a man who holds a tenure without a scrap of land must be gracious in speech. For whoever leaps from Emari to Myro fails in the middle if he doesn't take the side paths. Like the labor of each word, I make a messenger that puts the hearing of the household into riddles. And whatever anyone strums or strikes about it, since my composing is so worthy, I am the root and I say I am the first of accomplished sayings, conquering my boasting enemies who raise cries against me. I don't consider myself to have enough. So even if they are all of one pack, they lie nobly through their teeth. For I feel certain of the best that is and was, secure in my song and above the deceivers. And I know what I'm saying, since otherwise the grain wouldn't come that he has in abundance. For now it pleases me and is beautiful to me that youth advances my joy. And if I say anything that circles around them, I'll leave it there. For a joy doubles in me from a sweet spike that is a joyful thought, from which both the bad and the good are now my friends. For I fix myself in joy and stay willingly, and with joy I strike and savor my desires, and with joy I strike and savor. May God grant it to me.